Hello everyone, this is Riya Thakur and I'm currently studying in the second year of PGDM, specializing in human resources. So today I'm here to speak about a topic for the Spinayan HR speech competition, and the name of my topic is the talent acquisition matrix. So first of all, I would like to tell you all my experience wherein I had an interview with the CHRO of a company, and there he asked me a question about the talent acquisition matrix, and I was there very much surprised and bounced up by the question because I was unaware of that. So I related talent acquisition with all the related terms of it, such as succession planning, such as identification of the hypos and great place to work surveys, etc. But then the CHRO told me to be exact to the point. So then I researched it on Google, of course, after the interview, and then I found out what is the meaning of talent acquisition matrix. So basically, I would like to cut out two words here. The first one is talent and the second one is acquisition. So acquisition is the acquisition of new talent, a pool of employees, wherein talent acquisition matrix is the standard term to identify the matrix which is used in the further recruitment process. So it is basically broken down into four terms, which is first one is time to fill. So basically when a position is opened up, how much time it takes to fill up that, it is the time to fill. Second is the quality of the hiring. So the quality of the hiring should be extremely apt to the requirement so that we get candidates who are really apt for the position and also they are fit for it. The next is the time to fill that process. So time to fill that process includes interviews, the phone screenings, and submitting of the documents, etc. And the next is, the last one is the cost per hire. So basically when a recruitment comes into market, there is a cost which is associated with every employee. So cost per hire is the expenses that are involved in talent acquisition, which includes the travel cost, the sourcing cost, the relocation cost, the consultancy fees, etc. So yes, this was about the talent acquisition matrix. The four terms I would just brush it up once again. The first is quality of hire, the second is cost per hire, the third is time taken for the hire, and the fourth is the time to fill up the position. So I guess I am very